Are you ready to join the revolution? The growth of crypto exchanges and trading platforms in 2023 is set to change the financial industry as we know it. With increasing mainstream acceptance, the rise of decentralized finance, and improved regulatory clarity, the future of buying and selling cryptocurrencies is brighter than ever before. Discover how this growth will impact the economy and your own financial opportunities by learning more about crypto exchanges and trading platforms today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The rise of cryptocurrency also gave birth to several crypto exchanges to facilitate the selling and buying of cryptos. Since then, the market has witnessed several types of exchanges: centralized cryptocurrency exchanges, decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, and hybrid cryptocurrency exchanges. As cryptocurrencies are digital assets, investors faced multiple issues in their exchange on the existing networks. It's one of the primary reasons for the existence of different exchanges. Hybrid cryptocurrency exchanges were created based on the limitations of both centralized and decentralized exchange platforms. This crypto exchange platform combines the positive features of centralized and decentralized platforms. It consists of the usability and liquidity of centralized platforms and the anonymity and security of the decentralized exchanges. Users tend to have total control of their funds and can trade digital assets directly from their wallets while depositing tokens into the robust smart contract without any third-party interference. The rise of hybrid cryptocurrency exchange platforms resulted because of the shortcomings of the other two exchanges. CEX platforms not only charge high transaction fees, but also exercise total autonomy over the investor's funds. CAS store the investor's assets on hot wallets, which are very easy to hack. On the other side, DEX platforms are known for processing transactions very slowly, which proves unsuitable for users who are planning to leverage the cryptocurrency's volatile prices. It gives users real-time service access and provides solutions to different problems based on blockchain technology. It not only addresses the shortcomings of both exchanges, but also allows traders to perform transactions on them. These platforms allow users to have complete autonomy over their funds and don't allow third-party to regulate exchanges in cryptos. Apart from these platforms ensure privacy to their users, the policies of which comply with the different laws guiding digital currencies. Unlike centralized exchanges, the user's funds are not stored in hot wallets. The funds are stored in a digital wallet that's not connected to the internet, which is also known as cold storage. These platforms aim to provide the highest security to their users by preventing cyber attacks. A hybrid cryptocurrency exchange is interesting and convenient for traders around the world for its transparency and swiftness in transactions. The growth of crypto exchanges and trading platforms in 2023 is likely to be driven by several factors. First, increasing mainstream acceptance and adoption of cryptocurrency is expected to lead to a greater number of individuals and institutions buying and selling cryptocurrencies. As more people become familiar with the technology and see its potential benefits, they'll be more likely to participate in the market. Second, the growing number of decentralized finance platforms and products which use blockchain technology to provide financial services like lending and borrowing are expected to drive demand for cryptocurrency. As more DeFi platforms and products become available, more individuals will likely turn to crypto exchanges and trading platforms to buy and sell cryptocurrencies to participate in these new financial opportunities. Third, the increasing regulatory clarity around cryptocurrency is also likely to drive growth in crypto exchanges and trading platforms. As governments and regulators around the world provide more guidance and oversight for the crypto industry, it will become easier for exchanges and trading platforms to operate and attract users. This will increase the trust and confidence of the general public and traditional financial institutions in the crypto assets and crypto exchanges, further driving mainstream adoption. Lastly, the increasing availability of educational resources and tools for individuals to learn about cryptocurrency and how to use crypto exchanges and trading platforms is also likely to drive growth in the sector. As more people become familiar with cryptocurrency, they'll be more likely to participate in the market. This will lead to a more informed and educated public who can make informed decisions on crypto assets and the use of crypto exchanges. In summary, the growth of crypto exchanges and trading platforms in 2023 is likely to be driven by a combination of increasing mainstream acceptance, growth in DeFi, regulatory clarity, and the availability of educational resources. The growth of crypto exchanges and trading platforms in 2023 is likely to have several impacts on the financial industry, economy, and society as a whole. Some of the key impacts are increased liquidity and price stability. The growth of crypto exchanges and trading platforms will lead to a larger and more liquid market for cryptocurrencies, which could lead to increased price stability and reduced volatility in the value of cryptocurrencies. Financial opportunities. The growth of decentralized finance platforms and products which use blockchain technology to provide financial services like lending and borrowing are also likely to drive demand for cryptocurrency. As more DeFi platforms and products become available, more individuals will likely turn to crypto exchanges and trading platforms to buy and sell cryptocurrencies to participate in these new financial opportunities. Regulatory clarity. The increasing regulatory clarity around cryptocurrency is also likely to drive growth in crypto exchanges and trading platforms. As governments and regulators around the world provide more guidance and oversight for the crypto industry, it will become easier for exchanges and trading platforms to operate and attract users. Public education. The increasing availability of educational resources and tools for individuals to learn about cryptocurrency and how to use crypto exchanges and trading platforms is also likely to drive growth in the sector. Disruption of the traditional financial industry. The growth of crypto exchanges and trading platforms and DeFi platforms may challenge traditional financial institutions' role in providing financial services, leading to a shift in the way financial services are provided in the integration of crypto assets into the traditional financial system. Impact on the economy. The growth of crypto exchanges and trading platforms could have a positive impact on the economy by increasing innovation and competition in the financial industry, promoting financial inclusion and increasing the efficiency and transparency of financial transactions. Cybersecurity concerns. As crypto exchanges and trading platforms are digital, they're also vulnerable to cyber attacks, hacking, and fraud. Therefore, the crypto exchanges need to have robust security systems in place to protect the assets of their users. In conclusion, the growth of crypto exchanges and trading platforms in 2023 is a game changer for the financial industry and economy as a whole. It brings increased mainstream acceptance and adoption of cryptocurrency, opening up new financial opportunities through decentralized finance and increased regulatory clarity. With the availability of educational resources and tools, the general public will be better equipped to make informed decisions on crypto assets. Don't miss out on this revolutionary change. Stay informed and be a part of the future of finance today. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more of our videos.